Meet DJI Mini 3.
Yo, mga kaibigan, makinig kayo sa akin. Vince Ultra na dito, hatid ay mensahe. Huwag yung moving.
So, good morning guys. Ngayon ginawa ko camera kasi mabigat dito sa Team Mount. Carbon fiber
Lakay ang tabo sa isang isa. Mga alam sa malawak na tato, ginagawa-hiwalay. Kaya't magtulungan tayo at mag-isa. Ang makamit ang pangarap ng ating inaasang-asa. Ang instant manifestation ay di lang pantasya. Hindi na katotohanan, pwede maging maranasan sa ating realidad. Mula sa Baguio City hanggang sa Ultraverse, ang ating kamalayan ay malawak di masasawa. Ang art of asking, may malinaw na insurance at manifestation, hatid ay solusyon. Ang unika sa universe, ang buong puso, ito'y magbibigay ng sagot na totoo. Ang inyong pangarap, pwede mo makamit basta't maniwala ka at wag kang susuko. Kapit na kaibigan, ang instant manifestation ay pinamahika. Ito'y kapangyarihan na nasa ating mga kamay na pwede natin gamitin. Kaya huwag kang mag-alinlangan, huwag kang matakot. Ang instant manifestation ay totoo, huwag mong magkakapit. Ang law of compensation, kasaganaan ng dala. Kung ano ang ibinigay mo, babalik sa'yo ng doble pa. Ang 12 universal laws, ating gabay sa buhay. Sa cosmic dance na ito tayo maglinlangan. Tayo'y magsaya, ang bawat patas may mahalagang aral. Naalala na dapat natin isa puso, ang isa buhay, huwag kalimutan. Ang law of vibration, ang law of attraction, ang law of action, at ang law of cause and effect. Lahat ay may connection, kaya alamin natin at gamitin ang mga ito upang makamit ang buhay na ating pinapangarap na buo ng pag-asa at biyaya. Ang ripple effect, bawat kilos ay mahalaga. Nagdudulot ng pagbabago sa mundo, napakaganda. Ang lucid dreaming at mga signs from the universe, kapay sa ating landas, tinutupad ang ating purpose. Kaya huwag baliwalain ang mga panaginip at mga simulo na nagpapakita na daan na dapat ipakin. Ang instant manifestation ay bilang swerte, ito'y bunga ng ating pagsikap at tamang intensyon na dapat natin ipagmalaki. Mula sa Baguio City hanggang sa Ultraverse, ang ating kamalayan ay lumalawak di nasasawa. Ang art of asking, may malinaw na insurance at manifestation, hatid ay solusyon. Ang unika sa universe, ang buong puso, ito'y magbibigay ng sagot na totoo. Ang iyong pangarap, pwede mong makamit basta't maniwala ka at wag kang susuko. Kapit yan kaibigan, ang instant manifestation ay bilang mahika. Kayaan mong lumipat ang iyong pangarap. Ang instant manifestation ay nasa iyong balat. Yakapin ng mahika ang kapangyarihan sa loob mo at i-manifest ang iyong naisin. Simulan mo na ito. Yo, just a hype 1-2, Vince Ultra coming through from Baguio City, G-Mention crew. Born a geek, evolved to something new. Multiverse, ambassador breaking through. Motorfucker, rider of the dream. Shifting gears, changing the scene. Mimic flow, spitting truth and fire. Igniting minds, taking you higher. The law of divine oneness, we're all connected, see. Like branches on a tree, eternally. Vibration and attraction, what you put out comes back. So keep your vibes voices. Join the movement, step into your power. It's time to shine, embrace the ultralight. Let your true spirit unwind. Together we rise, together we thrive. Hand in hand, creating a world where everyone can take a stand. Yo, let me drop this knowledge. Vince Ultra on the track. Chronicles of the ultra life. Ain't no turning back from the depths of stagnation. I rose to the light, connecting the dots. Everything is intertwined tight. Universe whispering secrets, ancient wisdom unfolding. 12 universal laws, the truth they beholding. Vibration attraction, a symphony in mode. Yo, let me drop this knowledge. Vince Ultra on the track. Chronicles of the ultra life. Ain't no turning back from the depths of stagnation. I rose to the light, connecting the dots. Everything is intertwined tight. Universe whispering secrets, ancient wisdom unfolding. 12 universal laws, the truth they beholding. To get lost, will we ever meet again? Our lessons I decay. Please remember our summer. My heart is close by you. Will I learn to love or go? Who will walk with me in the rain? Please remember our summer. Come the sun, come the rain, and the leaves falling. I will wait even if the seasons change. Anxiety runs through my veins. I'll escape from all these chains. They come back in all the possible ways. I don't want you to get lost. Will we ever meet again? Our lessons I decay. Please remember our summer. My heart is close by you. Will I learn to love or go? Who will walk with me in the rain? Please remember our summer. Please remember our summer. Come the sun, come the rain, and the leaves falling. I will wait even if the seasons change. Anxiety runs through my veins. I'll escape from all these chains. They come back in all the possible ways. I don't want you to get lost. Will we ever meet again? Our lessons I decay. Please remember our summer. My heart is close by you. Will I learn to love? Yo, check the mic 1, 2. This ain't no illusion. Vince Ultra back with the cosmic conclusion. Day 2999, the portals align. Jack Frost in hand, elevate the mind. Arcturian frequencies, a gateway to see. Superhuman potential unlocked in me. High vibrational living, the key to the gate. Step into the unknown, transcend this state. Jack Frost magic melting the walls. Perception shift the universe.
Yan, uwi na siya dyan, dito siya. Ayan, so habang inaantay natin yung drone,
Golden ratio wisdom with the ganja amplified. Inhale the good vibes, exhale the stress and strife. Medical cannabis, a journey to a higher life. Dati akong geek, ngayon stoner freaks. A city of vibes where the green meets the peak. Burning the ganja, a mountain retreat. Baguio's heartbeats, a bawat book we need. Up in Burnham Park, passing the spliff around. Chilling with the locals, feeling the profound. Elevated minds, a Cordillera we climb. Sagada vibes lost in space and time. Baguio City, ganda ng green dito, so pretty. In the 420 club, we're feeling oh so witty. Stoner rock vibes with a bigger cyber trap beat. Medical cannabis legalized, it can be beat. Yo, we blaze the herbs sa ilalim ng Baguio moon. Inhale the good vibes, exhale the gloom. From session road to minds view, taas taas. We lift in spirits with all our might, no doubts. Elera blaze the fire with the lyrical flow. Spitting truth and wisdom, helping the people grow. We planting seeds of unity in every verse, changing the world for better or worse. We ain't just blowing smoke, we're breaking these chains of ignorance and prejudice, washing away these stains. We advocate for freedom, for the right to choose to do and uplift. As we force within, so join the movement, feel the rhythm and rhyme. Together we rise, one step at a time, and know the best of possibilities. We're taking a stand for a world of love, peace, and the golden hand. Baguio City, ganda ng green dito, so pretty. In the 420 club, we're feeling oh so witty. Stoner rock vibes with a bigger side.
what's up, man?
Medical cannabis legalized, it can't be beat. We place the path to a brighter day. With every puff, we light up the way. This ultra on your leather, in the 420 zone, spreading the love, making the world our home.
Smoking on this good blood, feeling oh so right. Elevating our minds, reaching new heights. In the present moment where happiness resides. No stress, no worries, just good vibes. Yeah, we live in a dream in this Baguio haze. Love and laughter filling up our days. Grateful for the blessings, big and small. In the stoner's paradise, we stand tall. Cruising down Session Road with the windows down. Music bumping, feeling the love all around. Grateful for the blessings, big and small. In the stoner's paradise, we stand tall. Cruising down Session Road with the windows down. Music bumping, feeling the love all around. Burnham Park sparking under the pine tree shade. Sharing stories and laughter, memories made. Life's a journey and we're taking it slow. Savoring each moment, letting the good times flow. With every puff we're feeling more alive. Grateful for this connection that keeps us thrive. Yeah, we live in a dream in this Baguio haze. Love and laughter filling up our days. Grateful for the blessings, big and small. In the stoner's paradise, we stand tall. In the stoner's paradise, we stand tall. We stand tall, we stand tall. Our love's a quantum entanglement, you see. Connected by a thread through the multiverse with me. Across dimensions, our souls intertwined. A love like ours is truly one of a kind. The 12 universal laws, they got a way. Manifestation in motion every single day. With gratitude and love, we shape our fate. In this cosmic dance, we elevate. From the mountains to the valleys, our love will roam. In this ultra life journey, we found our home. With every sunrise, a new adventure starts. Grateful for this love that heals our hearts. We're stoners, yeah, but we ain't no fools. We're dreamers and doers, breaking all the rules. With open minds and hearts, we embrace the haze. Living in the present in a grateful day. So let's keep on vibing, let the good times roll. In the stoner's paradise, we'll reach our goals. Together we'll rise, together we'll shine. Love and gratitude forever intertwined. Yeah, we live in the dream in this Baguio haze. Love and laughter filling up our days. Grateful for the blessings, big and small. In the stone my girl by my side and the green in my hand, in the stoner's paradise will forever stand. So here's to love, to life, and to the present day. Grateful for this moment in every way. With my girl by my side and the green in my hand, in the stoner's paradise will forever stand. Will forever stand. Will forever stand. check up mic 1, 2, this ain't no illusion. Fit soldiers back with a quantum infusion. Biohacking the beat, I'm spit pure fire. Now universe with a cosmic desire. From the streets of tomorrow, I'm bringing the thunder. Future flows in my veins, keep you in wonder. Pixels in the pulse and the rhythm on repeat. Got the crowd switched on, it's a kinetic feat. To the heavens weaving from galaxies afar to the concrete jungle. This quantum beats a never-ending rumble. You got it, this is a fun challenge. Let's craft a song for a lyric that pushes the boundaries of vocal possibility.
Imagine operatic vocals with a futuristic twist. This genre blends powerful classically trained vocals with soaring synth melodies, intriguing on electronic beats. In the fusion of arms, skateboards, and traditional armor with a touch of the otherworldly. Across the veils of time and space, I hear your voice, the shimmering grace. Alera, oh Alera, your song transcends the boundaries of worlds where reality bends. I see your echoes resonating through the stars, a cosmic symphony breaking down all bars. Your voice, a beacon in the infinite night, guiding us to the ultraverse where dreams ignite. For quantum realms, your spirit flies, a goddess of the stars with radiant eyes. You weave your magic with every note, a cosmic dance where melodies float. A hero echoes resonating through the stars, a cosmic symphony breaking down all bars. Your voice, a beacon in the infinite night, guiding us to the ultraverse where dreams ignite. From quantum realms, your spirit flies, a goddess of the stars with radiant eyes. You weave your magic with every note, a cosmic dance where melodies float. Whispers of ancient wisdom flow through your song, a tapestry of light where we all belong. Oh, Alera, your voice divine awakens the soul and makes the spirit shine. Hero echoes resonating through the stars, a cosmic symphony breaking down all bars. Your voice, a beacon in the infinite night, guiding us to the ultraverse where dreams ignite. Hero echoes resonating through the stars, a cosmic symphony breaking down all bars. Your voice, a beacon in the infinite night, guiding us to the ultraverse where dreams ignite. Where dreams ignite.
This song, with its blend of opera grandeur and futuristic sound, celebrates Alera's unique persona and her connection to the ultraverse.